I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn closed captions on or off on YouTube TV. Step 1. Open the content on YouTube TV that you want to turn closed captions on or off for. Step 2. Click or tap the screen to bring up the on-screen menu, and then click the CC icon in this menu. You'll now see closed captions displayed for your content. You can change the appearance of your closed captions by bringing the on-screen display up again, tapping the settings icon to bring up a menu, and then clicking Subtitles CC. A subtitles menu opens. Click Options in this menu. The Options menu opens where you can choose the font family, font color, font size, background color, and much more to customize your YouTube TV closed captions appearance. Your changes will be applied immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.